Hey, this is Chris at C Arcades. I just want to go through a quick unboxing of No Escape with you. We had one customer say that they almost dropped theirs last week, so we want to safeguard your investment as much as you do. So let's go ahead and go through the opening of the box to make sure everybody understands what they're doing. You just open up the lid. Inside this lid, your receipt will be up here. You have a please read, and this is going to go through the instructions on how to take this clamshell foam out of the box. Many of our other ones come with this clamshell as well, and these instructions are there. You lift up this center section straight up. This is the top shell that's going to protect your No Escape. Inside the box, you'll see that you have No Escape in there. Inside the clamshell, there are 2 finger holes here and 2 on this side. You can use either one, right or left. Your harness is back here and your hardware pack is right there. So you're going to grab one of these finger hole sets. You're going to lift this box straight out. Now I'm going to do this just for the sake of showing you. Underneath, there's a hole here for you to be able to put your fingers through to be able to push up on the module. So you can do that and push up on it just a little bit. That'll get it out of this clamshell. Once you do that, you can put the clamshell back in the box. This is your mod now. This is pretty sturdy. I don't have any problems with it. The only thing that I wanted to caution you with is grabbing the top of this buoy. This is going to be the weakest point of the buoy. There's no air balls that come up and hit it, but that is definitely the weakest point, as well as Chrissy's arms. You don't want to grab onto those or squeeze or bend or anything like that. Everything else is intact. I wouldn't see any problem with this. So just be cautious with this. Follow the installation video and you should be good to go. Thanks. Have a great day.
Oh my God.